Hello, in this problem we're going to draw a circle that passes through 3 points A, B and C. The coordinates for those 3 points are given in absolute coordinate format, and then we're going to find out the radius of this circle. So let's get it started. We're going to use the 3-point option for the circle tool. So click on that 3-point option for the circle tool, and for the first point is given as 10, 15.5. So we're going to type that. Press enter. Next point is 8.5, 9. Press enter. And then the last point is 15.5, 12. Press enter and adjust your view by simply scrolling your middle mouse button, and we need to find out the radius. So click that circle, right click on properties, and then scroll down. Actually it's right here, 4.0390. so that is our radius.